Hey guys, what's up? I'm Tony from Homeowner Repair, and I get asked all the time on the channel, where is my cabin filter on my Ford Expedition? So I have a 2012 and a 2014 Ford Expedition, and from what I've researched, the 2013 to 2016 Ford Expeditions didn't have a cabin filter. I've got people all the time asking me, hey, in my 2012 Expedition, where's the cabin filter? If it has one, it should be behind the glove box. My Expedition, my 2012, doesn't have one either. There's none in there. I've checked behind the glove box, and there's no provision for it. So if it's a 2013 to a 2016, there shouldn't be one. And I'm going to go ahead and say most of the 2012s probably don't have one either. So if you guys are scratching your head looking, I hope this video helps you out. And if your 2012 does have one, drop a comment and let us know where it's at. And don't pull a fast one on us either. So we go looking and there isn't one there. But take it easy. If you guys have a question, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. You'll learn something new every day. Take it easy, guys.